Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union. Review my usage experience. SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union is a financial institution primarily serving school employees and their families in California. They offer a full range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment options. Key features often touted are their competitive interest rates, low fees, and focus on financial education resources. Their website, SchoolsFirstFCU.org, provides details on their various products and services. They emphasize their commitment to member service, highlighting their accessible branch network and online banking platform. They position themselves as a community-focused credit union, offering personalized financial guidance and resources. They also often promote their lack of hidden fees and focus on member benefits over profits, differentiating themselves from larger commercial banks. Availability is generally limited to those affiliated with the California educational system. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I applied for membership online, which was quick and easy since I work for a qualifying school district. The online banking interface was intuitive and easy to navigate. I set up direct deposit for my paycheck, transferred funds between my checking and savings accounts, and even paid a few bills, all without a hitch. The mobile app is equally user-friendly, making it convenient to check my balance or make transactions on the go. Performance-wise, the online banking is reliable and fast. I never experienced any downtime or slow loading times. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial advice I received. I scheduled a free consultation with a financial advisor at my local branch, and they helped me create a budget and plan for my future financial goals. One minor drawback was the limited number of physical branches, although this wasn't a huge issue for me since I primarily use the online and mobile banking services. I did have a question about a transaction once, and their support team responded promptly and efficiently via email, resolving my issue within a day. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union. They offer a great combination of convenient online banking, competitive rates, and personalized financial services. That's my overview of SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.